Yeah, peeps, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Rice Yaad channel. Yeah, today I'll be doing a little curried chicken foot. You know, I know everybody don't like the chicken foot, but you know, it's nice once properly done. So I'll be cutting off these nails and start the preparation. So this is like about a pound and a half of chicken foot, which I'll be currying down and having it with some plain rice. Alright peeps, so check it out while I am cutting off the nails. Yeah peeps, so as I said before, you have to get these little nails off the chicken foot, you know. Yeah peeps, just cut them off like that and you put them aside. And don't forget to get these nails. Oh good. Yeah, peeps, chicken foot, man. Nice. Not everybody like to eat it or to have it. Some people find it disgusting, but I'm telling a lot of people love it same way. Nice in curried, nice in soup, you know, such delights. Yeah, peeps, I'm just going to go and cut off these nails. And I'm going to do the other prep. Send some seasoning. I'll let you guys see, okay? Just stay tuned. Yeah, my peeps, back again. So here is the chicken foot, feet. Yeah man, nails all cut off. All cut off. Wash it up with some vinegar. Yeah man, get off that extra rawness on it now peeps. So I'm about to season this up now peeps. So I'll be using salt, sea salt, black pepper, and my better pack curry powder, which I think this is the best. Yeah peeps, also with the I'll be adding in, you know, thyme, onion. We use about half of this onion. I have 5 cloves of garlic here. Can't leave out the Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, and the green onion, or otherwise they call it scallion in Jamaica here. Yeah peeps, so catch me when I'm adding in everything and seasoning the chicken foot. Alright peeps? Let's go and check it in. Yeah peeps, so I'm going to add in my salt now. This is a 1 teaspoon. So I'll be adding in 2 level teaspoons of this. Alright peeps, so that is the salt. Peeps, also I'll be adding in my black pepper. I don't really gauge this, but I just normally just estimate to your likings the amount of black pepper. Everybody is different, the amount of black pepper they use. And I just rub that in now peeps. Yeah. Rub that in. Nice. Yeah peeps, just like that. Now peeps, I'll be adding in my better pack curry. Once again peeps, rub that in. Yeah, peeps, see it there? Can add a little more, but otherwise people will be burning some of the curry in the oil to give it that extra color. So for right now, I think this is enough curry on the chicken feet. Yeah, peeps, I'll be adding in my thyme. I'll be adding in my onion. Yeah, peeps, you don't know it's a yard man style, you know, so you don't know what that's all. Cut up some onion over on it. Yeah, peeps, just like that. Roughly half of a whole onion. You know, peeps, I'll be adding my scotch bonnet pepper. I like things spicy, you know, so I did in a good amount. Cause I think like chicken foot, eating it, yeah, man, you have to have some spice in this, peeps. Yeah, man. See there? Yeah, man, just like that, seed everything. Now, peeps, I'll be adding in my garlics. Yeah, peeps, the next step, green onion. Sorry, not green onion, green pepper. Moving too fast with the wording, peeps. Green pepper, you know, for a little flavoring and a little color, you know. Yard man style, wise choice style. So we do it, peeps. Yeah, peeps, I know. Make sure all the ingredients them washed up and things. I added in my green onion or scallion. Yeah, peeps, so I was going to just rub this in now. Yeah, peeps, just like that. And I'll also be adding, peeps, a few pimento seeds. Not much. Just a few. Give that pimento flavor, which is nice. Yeah, peeps, so that is basically the preparation. So check it out, peeps, when I'm putting it in the pot, when I'm burning the curry in the pot, and start the cooking. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man. Keep on watching. Yeah, peeps. So as I said before, I'll be adding in some curry powder, some oil, some vegetable oil. I'll make that burn. It'll start to look brownish. Yeah. You know it's good. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to expect that stay on us burning for a minute. Then I'll be adding in my chicken foot. Chicken feet. So that peeps, come on. Getting that brown color, that is what we're looking for. Definitely what we're looking for, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so. Think I've burned that enough now, peeps, so I'll be adding in my chicken feet. And all the seasoning. Alright, peeps, you want to smell this aroma. Wow. Smells so good already. Peeps, I want to make sure that all of the chicken feet are now covered with the curry. Get that color in. Got that, peeps. Yeah, man, nice. Yeah, man. Jamaican curried chicken feet or foot, whatever you want to call it. Rice Yaad Man Style. Yeah, man, this is how we do it, peeps. Yeah, man, this is how we do it. Nice. Just like that, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so I'm just going to cover this down now. Make it cook a little. And then I'll add it in a little water for it to cook down in, peeps. So check it out when it's cooking down, alright, peeps? Don't go nowhere. And peeps, remember, I'd really appreciate it. Please, I'm asking, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, give a like. I don't think I'm asking too much. I'm trying my best to give you guys good content. So I really appreciate if you guys could subscribe, watch the videos, give a like and leave a comment, peeps. And I really appreciate it. So check it back when it's cooking down, peeps, alright? Good. Yeah, peeps, look at that. Come on, so the color. Yeah, that's what you're looking for, peeps. That's what you're looking for. Nice. Just like that, peeps. So right now, peeps, I'm going to be adding in a little water. I'll make the peas and get to cook down. So actually boil some water. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Always, when you're adding water to your pots, always boil it before. You don't want to put on room temperature water in your pot. Yeah, peeps, so look at that. Pretty. Yeah, peeps, I'm just going to let this cook down now until the feet are tender and soft. Yeah, peeps, so you'll see the finish, peeps. Remember, peeps, please subscribe, give a like, leave a comment, and share the videos. Family, friends, and loved ones. Alright, peeps? So come back. Yeah, peeps. See it here now? Yes, color all finished, peeps. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, man. Curried chicken foot. Yaad Man Style. Mr. Rice Yaad Style. Yeah, peeps. So this is basically I've been a video of how to prep and season your chicken foot and cook it down. Yeah, peeps, so remember, as I said before, log on to Rice Yaad channel, please subscribe, give a like, and share. Also, I'd appreciate a comment, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so check it out when I'm doing the plating when it's all done and I'm plating it with the plain rice or the white rice. Alright, peeps? So come back. Yeah, peeps. Finished product. Yeah, man, finished product, peeps. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it. So that's curry chicken foot with plain rice and some lettuce, peeps. Yeah, man, looking real nice. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, peeps, so once again, thanks for watching the Rice Yaad channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, have a blessed day. Went to have some of this now, peeps, because it's looking damn good. Yeah, man, blessed love, peeps. Till the next time, alright? Blessed love.